Hello, my name is Mohammed Shomrat. I'm the founder and CEO of Vinndo. Vinndo is a mobile and a web application that is designed to revolutionize the automotive industry by connecting car owners to thousands of repair shops as well as parts stores near them. Being in this industry for the last 5 years helped me understand how backdated and how much of lacking of technology there is within this industry. If you were to order a part today, you're expected to wait at least 3 to 5, maybe extends to 10 days sometimes to receive the part. The change that Vinndo is bringing, Vinndo is connecting you with the parts stores or suppliers that's around you. So that enables us to deliver the product to you within 3 to 5 hours, which gets you back on the road as soon as possible. Not only are we solving the part supplying issue, we're also solving the issue of repairs. See, the way it is handled today, we walk into a repair shop not knowing how much we're going to be paying. We agree with whatever price that these repair shop give you, and most of the times it's a ripoff. So what Vinndo does, Vinndo gives you a price estimation before you even walk into a repair shop of your choice. We have been working on this for the last 2 years. We have collected tremendous amount of data. We have data of 30 million different vehicles, 10 million parts, and as well as 100 millions of repair estimation. So whatever issue you have with the car, Vinndo has a solution for it all.